What is Web Analytics? Quite simply, it's data on how your website is performing online, in terms of visits and referrals and much more than that as well.
To get value from Web Analytics, it's best to first define what your online business questions are. These will determine what is needed from your web analytical tools and what needs to be set up. For example, if you're launching an e-commerce site, you might want to know where within the sales process people drop out, and also what the ROI is for each of your marketing channels.
There are over 100 standard reports in any decent Web Analytics tool, and this can be overwhelming to people. The key is to start simply with one of the core reports. As you gain experience, the results that you find will raise more questions, and these questions will lead you to discover more of the useful reports to you.
Google Analytics is a great free web analytics program that's used by more than half of websites worldwide.
The starting point with Web Analytics is to define what your business questions are. What do you need to know? Once you have these questions defined, you can start using that as the guide when you're looking at the actual tool itself, looking through the data. Look through the data, actually answer the questions, and just make sure, act upon what you discover.
To get started, ask your web developer to insert the Google Analytics tracking code on your website.
But do remember that Web Analytics data from any tool, including Google Analytics, can never be 100% accurate. For instance, visitors who don't accept JavaScript or who block cookies will not be tracked. This is fine, the insights will still be accurate.
To help you manage your web analytics, I'd like to take you through 5 common terms that are used in the web analytics world. Hits is the term you will hear being used by some to measure website traffic levels.
Hits actually means the number of server hits on a page, which could be anything from 1 to 100. What this means is there is no consistency, and therefore hits provides no indication of the true traffic levels for a website. What you likely actually want to know is how many people visited your website and how many people purchased from you. Web Analytics tools use cookies, nice ones that don't follow you all over the internet, to identify individual visitors to your website.
However, people are now using a number of devices, such as a smartphone, tablet, home and work computer, to visit websites, meaning your unique visitor count will be inflated.
A visit is a collection of one or more page views. It starts when a visitor enters your website and ends when they either enter it again or if they're nothing on your website for 30 minutes. I recommend using visits as the primary metric to measure traffic to your website. Bounce rate refers to the number of visitors entering your website and leaving immediately without doing anything else. It's a key metric to focus on reducing whenever you're trying to improve your landing pages or campaign performance.
But keep in mind that a high bounce rate is common on websites where there are articles or blog posts, as a visitor can enter, read the content, and leave satisfied without having to visit a second page.
In line with your business objectives, everyone should have at least one action on their website they wish their visitors to take. This might be to place an order, to submit a lead, to view a certain number of pages, or something else.
The conversion rate is the proportion of visits in which this action occurred. You should set up your conversion actions as goals within Google Analytics so that it automatically calculates conversion rates for you.
For more information on Web Analytics, visit my website at l3analytics.com.